Diyos ko po, napaka-hype at intense ng Game 2. Semis ng Junior MPBL sa laban ng Caloocan versus San Juan. Wala akong masabi sa performance nila, Luis Pablo at Titing Manalili. Showtime kung showtime. Halos mabaliw ang crowd sa arena ng Caloocan sa mga ginawa ni Pablo at Manalili.
Very tall. Nailang pa rin kay Luis Pablo.
Track pass from Manalili. Manalili once again. Off the spin move. Slowing down just enough.
Sulit na sulit manood ng live. Panoodin ang full game highlights hanggang dulo, mga ka-big time.
Here's as Andres. Chase down block by Luis. The crowd loving it.
After back-to-back baskets, nakuha naman ni Pablo ang block first.
Pablo all alone and slams it home. Manalili na naman. Nilipat pa sa kaliwa.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Man has Manalili, Rubico, Gagate, Gazingan, and Pablo to round out. 1-0. Abante nga dito ang Caloocan. That's what you gotta love about Caloocan. It's Manalili starting off early, getting the layup to fall.
What about this guy, Titing Manalili?
San Juan, Manalili once again. Off the spin move, slowing down just enough. 4 points early para kay Titing. Tawag dito ng batang San Juan Knights. Take another look at that move from Titing Manalili. Just so easy. Ito pa nga, isa pa. For an early 4-0.
Scoring that basketball.
Shane Mahmoud earlier scoring para sa San Juan. The kick out, a 3 on the way. Shot is short. Rebound battle, makukuha ni Luis Pablo for his first bucket. San Juan, 6-2. Early 4-point lead para sa Caloocan. The pull-up. Gets the bounce. It's Rubico.
Very familiar with this guy.
Andres, aggressive to the hoop. That's the LA Andres I know. Outside Dungo. Gets the finger roll to fall. Doy Dungo getting his first two.
And the Conti forwards na very capable of handling the ball.
But Dungo made the adjustment that time. Yan naman ang... A 3 on the way. Gagate, short. Gets his own miss. Might slam it. Finger roll na lang.
We definitely saw his face and he had
Just showing us he also has that soft touch as Hukom knocking down that 3 ball. 15 remaining. Chapter number 1. Pablo strong to the hoop.
It's gonna be a long night para sa San Juan.
Mawas goes to that spin move. Look at that basket. What a tough shot para kay James. Sabi mo nga Renzo, San Juan now settling down. Sila pang abante dito heading into our second as Luis Pablo continues on his onslaught.
Abanggain na lang niya eh.
6 points so far para kay Pablo as Daep knocking down the triple. Daep with 5 off the bench. Great hustle there para kay Romero but Manalili comes up with it. The no look to Pablo for the bucket.
You really can't rest when you're...
Mawas, another sidestep maneuver. Lead up to 8, the biggest so far para dito sa San Juan. Rubico will answer.
Big answer para dito kay Matthew Rubico. And I'm telling you, Jaime, this guy is a legit scorer.
Mahmoud got a free runway to the basket. 50 remaining. Dito sa ating second. Rubico dropping it off to Pablo once again. This time with an N1.
Nag-check siya ng maayos na doon nila LA Andres.
Dungo breaking ankles. Nakakadalawa na siya dito against Luis Pablo. Talking about Doy Dungo. Manalili though will challenge Mahmoud. It doesn't matter. Kinumusta pa.
We're seeing a little bit of a one-on-one between Titing Manalili and Dungo.
Rubico says, sali din ako dyan.
One guy na kapag nakuha mo naman in Rubico na very deadly.
That's Gagate. Just a long 2. Way off on that attempt. A loose ball picked up by Despe. Pablo. Now Rubico at same spot. And the same result.
What about Matthew? His third three-pointer, I think.
Mahmoud, siya naman ang susubok. Answers para sa Phenom.
They're just playing through.
Manalili this time takes it for himself. Manalili already had it picked. They get it ahead to Manalili. Look at that, 3-7 Gagate.
And the showmanship.
For himself, this was the pass earlier. Flair. Manalili, cross court, they find Rubico all alone. Dodged the bullet there was San Juan. Pablo though, challenges the defense once again. Now in double figures.
And again, ito must stop si Pablo from getting those offensive rebounds.
Hukom will fire another three, his second of the ball game. Someone that you... Rubico. It's a tough shot. Able to convert. San Juan looking to run. Mahmoud nag-iisa. Nilagay na lang.
Soft slam.
At magpapatalo, San Juan fights for Game 3. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Dane Yamada, with that.
You know that these guys really know each other. Even LeBron Daep, who's very athletic, who's very tall, nailang pa rin kay Luis Pablo.
Great pass from Manalili, touch pass from Despi, and Luis Pablo will finish it.
Well, he wasn't. Oh, and that time after back-to-back baskets, nakuha naman ni Pablo ang block against Tungo. But another highlight for Titing Manalili, that wrap around and that finish. Tungo.
That pass from Manalili. Credit Dylan Despi dahil yun nga, alam din niya na libre si Pablo sa ilalim. This the play just earlier, eluding Daep and using the left hand for the finish.
Just very talented.
Yeah. He's one of the more taller, much taller players as Andres.
Ooh!
Lays down block by Luis Pablo, and this time it's Pablo's turn to be called for a taunting technical. The crowd loving it. Luis egging them on. Look at that chase down.
And Luis back.
Get it into Andres. Shot is short. Mahmoud though will clean it up.
And Mahmoud tell.
Balik ang kalamangan sa San Juan. Pablo with a putback.
And Luis Pablo with that low. Yung mga mid-range jumper. Kasi pag nandyan siya sa shaded area, medyo...
Looking for Mahmoud. It's the ball stolen by Despi. Mamadali sa kabila. Dylan. Trying to drop it off. Ball is loose. Players on the floor. As Pablo appears to be hurt. Okay. It's safe to say that Luis Pablo is fine. This was the play earlier. Yeah, Despi. Pass maybe a bit behind. Si Ronquillo just fighting for that leather. Ron Chico. At 18 and 8, that game 1 performance. Despi knocks down the triple.
Ball.
8 up to 4, 15 to 46. Answering is Matthew Hukom para sa Batang San Lo. Lost the leather but excellent recovery. However, a steal para kay Esperanza. Ronquillo trying to steal it from behind. Dipsy-do for Esperanza won't work. But guess who's there to clean it up? Luis Pablo. Make that 20 points now para kay Luis Pablo. There's so much energy like a pogo stick. 12 seconds to work with. Zaurige defending him. Spin move. Blocked by Pablo. Mahmoud though with a putback.
What about that block by Pab?
It's Manalili. Hands off to Pablo. On the move once again. Parang pinag-usapan nila Renzo. Ano gusto nilang gawin? Run to perfection. 54 to 52. Balik sa Caloocan ng Abante. Pablo all alone. And slams it home! Gising na naman ng crowd dito sa Caloocan Sports Complex.
Position. Hindi nga lang pumasok, but this is that dunk by Luis Pablo to the delight of the Caloocan crowd.
Titing Manalili sa showman, sabi mo nga, pero Luis Pablo to add to his 5-point advantage. Manalili will try once more. That time, nasukat na.
And you gotta love this.
His lead now para sa Caloocan. Hukom. Couldn't get that three-pointer. Manalili na naman. Nilipat pa sa kaliwa! The crowd erupts once.
And this is that highlight once again by Titing Manalili. What a tough take.
That was Lebron Daep defending him. Putting on a show sa Caloocan Sports Complex.
And that's a tough angle.
There was San Juan. Andres gets the ball stolen away by Rubico. Manalili na naman with a lefty finish.
Even Mahmoud didn't even...
Dungo feeding Andres inside. Iniluwa lang. Gets his own miss. Ayaw pa rin. Fourth attempt. Still no go. 5 tries. Ayaw. Hukom though shows them how it's done.
So you gotta love the activity.
This time, dropping it off. They find Pablo once more off the glass for 2.
How do you stop?
Sagutan parehong koponan. Balik sa 10. Inahabol ng San Juan. Dungo with a scoop.
And that's just a...
Ang Caloocan. Manalili from way downtown. Knocks it down. Titing throws a grenade to the ground. It's the ball back with 8 to work with. Sipping it inside. Extra pass. Gagati to Pablo. Overshoots. Cleans it up by himself. Their side down by 11. Dungo trying to create. Falling away. Another bucket para kay Doy.
And I'm telling a message from the Batang Abra Weavers.
Hukom for 3. Another one. That's a tough shot para kay Matthew Hukom. Shot lock down to 5. Manalili to the corner. Gazingan finds Manalili on a cut. Just in the nick of time.
That's just the dagger basket para dito sa game na to for Caloocan.
As Hukom gets the 3-pointer and the foul from 76-69 rather. 7-point lead. And a steal para San Juan. They go to Hukom. Pulls up for another 3. Matthew Hukom makes this a 4-point ball game with 33. They get it into Dungo for 3. Off balance. The shot will miss. And that will be all she wrote. As Caloocan will advance dito sa ating North Division Finals.
Caloocan, Batang Cantalo is now qualified sa ating North Division Finals.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!